Place the palms as a cat pose. Okay, drop your chest on the floor properly. Relax it. Adjust the palms a little more back first. Tuck the toes in, slowly forward. Relax your breath here. All right, now slide the hands on the front of you. Breathe in and out. Exhale. Relax your breath. Okay, walk by your foot more forward if possible. Exhale here. Enough. Raise your right leg up. Straight the leg, hollow back, straight up. Exhale, bend your knees, bend your elbows. Yes, hold the foot tightly. Okay, now from here, elbow close a little more. Pull the leg straight on the front of you, tongue tie. Straight the arms. Lift the back leg up, inhale. Straight it, try to tongue tie, straight there. Breathe. Breathe. Focus. Inhale, straight the arms, straight the arms. Control. 5, straight it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop the back knee down first. Release the leg. Exhale. One more time. Switch the leg again. Place the palms again. More carefully. Inhale. Exhale. Drop your chest down side. Slide it. Slide the hands on the front of you. Tongue tie. Exhale here. That's good. Relax the breath first. Keep going. Knee together. All right. Relax. Relax. Raise your left leg up. Chung Chalan. Inhale. Straight it. Breathe. Breathe. Straight. Hollow back. Hollow back. Inhale. Exhale. Bend your elbow. Nam thigh. Interlock the finger. Stretching your hands together. Wait. Now slowly lift the knees off. Try to pull the leg on the front of you. Tongue tie. Elbow off if you can. Straight up. Try. Tongue chin. Double and move. 1. Straight it. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. And 7. Slowly exhale. Come back. Releasing legs down. Child pose. Inhale. Exhale. Knees open. Holding legs. Lock the finger. Raise your hip up. Inhale. Extend your back. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Exhale. Come back. Okay.